Hey there, you never miss any new update. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Hello viewers, you can watch my videos by search youtube.com/Chakravarthi and you can also watch my videos by facebook.com/Chakravarthi. Look this, I don't have any membership in Prime Video. Follow my steps to get it for free. First go to Chrome Web Store and search for Edit this cookie. Click on Add to Chrome. If it is added, then it's shown. Like this, rate it, added to Chrome. In description I had given in file, click on download and download it. This file contained this cookie code. Make sure that starting and ending have these brackets or not, and copy this code. Click on this cookie symbol. Click on dustbin symbol. And click on import icon. Press ticket mark. Now reload or refresh the page, then you observe that you get an account in Prime Video. Crack this and enjoy. This isn't bug in Prime Video, these will be rectified. BT then, updo then enjoy these by free. Now reload or refresh the page, then you observe that you get an account in Prime Video. Crack this and enjoy. This isn't bug in Prime Video, these will be rectified. BT then, updo then enjoy these by free.